Hi friends, I'm Scott from Sharky's Greenhouses and Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, and today we're doing tomato talk. So specifically, we're going to be talking about suckers on tomatoes, and there's a lot of debate whether or not you should take the suckers off. But let's first define what is the sucker, because a lot of people don't know. So we've got our tomato plant here, and we've got our main stem, and then we have a branch coming off here, and this guy right here, right in the middle, kind of right in that crotch of these two, that is the sucker. So this is the sucker. So this is what they're talking about of whether we should take these off or not. So let me explain a little bit, but we're going to have to do a little bit of playing pretend. So we're going to pretend that I have two of the same exact tomato plants, and I feed them and I water them exactly the same. Now, if I take the suckers off one plant and I leave the suckers on the other plant, what's going to be the difference at the end of the season when we come to the harvest? What's going to be the difference, the net difference? Well, the plants that have the suckers on them, that we just left it alone, you're going to have lots of tomatoes, all right? Now, the plant that I took the suckers off, you're going to have not as many, but they're actually, the fruit is going to be a little bit bigger, and it's probably going to taste a little better. That's what a lot of people swear by, that it actually tastes better. But when I weigh the difference between all the tomatoes I got off of this plant and all the tomatoes I got off of that plant, it's going to be about the same. So if you take off the suckers, you're going to have bigger, better fruit. If you just leave them on, you'll have more fruit, but they might be a little bit smaller. So there's no net gain, but like I said, a lot of people swear by taking the suckers off. So you can really try it out for yourself and let us know, what have you found out in your experience by taking off the suckers, or do you just leave them? But if we're going to take the suckers off, how do we do that? Well, I'm just going to go through, I got a scissors, and I'm just going to clip it out, right on out. And that's as easy it is. There was there's a few down here, and these I can just nip off with my thumb and finger. So they're coming up through here, but I'm going to clean this plant up anyway, and because it doesn't need all this foliage, and when I plant this, I'm going to plant it pretty deep. So I'm just going to take all these off anyway, suckers and all that's coming off, because that's all going underground. Yep, I'm going to clean that whole thing right on up, and that should be good there. So I'm going to plant this, I'm going to bury this tomato, because tomato is one of the only plants that it has the roots all along the stem. So if we bury this in the soil, this whole thing is going to develop roots all along there, and it's just going to make a nice, better, sturdier, healthier tomato. So, and you can see this big boy here. This is a Sweet 100 cherry tomato, and I always like to put this in the same spot in my greenhouse, and it's already well over 6 feet tall, and it's going gangbusters. There's a bunch of cherry tomatoes at the bottom there, so it's not going to be very long before we're going to have cherry tomatoes. And last year in the greenhouse, the tomato, it went up and out and kept going. It found a hole in the plastic, and it went 14 feet. So it got to be big. Thank you, Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer. This plant really loved the Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer. So it was doing awesome, and we got buckets and buckets and buckets of cherry tomatoes off that last year. So I hope that helps to clear up a little bit of the mystery on suckers, whether you should take them off or not. And typically I don't take the suckers off, because if I went through this plant here, there are a lot of suckers on it, so there'd be a lot of work to go through and take the suckers off. But again, go ahead and chime in and tell us, do you prefer to take the suckers off, or do you just let your tomato plants go? Hey, if you're liking our videos, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, and to follow us on Facebook, and also to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have hundreds of how-to videos that you should check out there. And another place you can go to is our BeatYourNeighbor.com website, and we have a lot of blog articles and tips and tricks and how-to articles, and also, of course, our Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, and that's all over at BeatYourNeighbor.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.